Okay, it is Saturday, June 13th, 2015, about 2 p.m. And I am going to hose off the York central air conditioner and my neighbor's Trane central air conditioner. Yeah, haven't hosed off the York since last June, so it's been almost a year. Actually, more than a year, because it was like at the beginning of June. Okay, and this thing is filthy. And it is running right now. I don't want to break it or anything. Yeah, I was just hosing off our new, I was just watering our new sod. And I figured since I got the hose over by the York, I might as well clean it. It's very rare I can get the hose down here. I don't know how I did, honestly. Crap, that can't be good. It's not safe. Don't do it when they're on, please. Alright, don't do yours when it's on. I recommend doing it in the winter time when they're off, right before you turn them on, so that they don't break. Here's the Guardian. I guess we'll clean it off. Well, it's off. Might as well clean it off, I guess. Yeah, the first time I cleaned them off, it was in February. Well, the first time I cleaned them off, I made a video of it. It was February 2014, I believe. I'm gonna get the blades to do that thing that they did that one time. Guess not. Crap. Sounds like it's making a funny noise. You know what? I'll be back when this thing just turned off. Right when I was going to turn the hose off, so perfect. Okay. Yeah, it was making like a strange noise that I don't think I've really heard it make before. The disconnect noise. The train is always running, it seems like, just like their other one was. So, I might have to do it while it's running. I can't stand, it's all dirty. And they just put it in a couple weeks ago. I just can't stand that, really. I don't know why. It just bothers me. Let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up. Try not to let my neighbors notice. They will get pissed if they see you doing anything to their air conditioner. Even if it's nice. Even if you're just trying to be a good neighbor and clean it off. They get pissed. I don't know why. Crap, this is gonna be hard. I'll put more water up there. It's an XR14. Jesus. I don't like that noise. Okay, anyways. That's as good as I'm gonna get this thing, I think, before I get busted. Yeah, anyways. Over and out.